shocking value. Imagine staying in a trendy 4-star New York hotel with free breakfast and spa access, all without breaking the bank. Which one offers the best vibe, value, and family friendliness? Stay tuned. You're about to uncover hidden NYC hotel gems and even score help with flight and insurance bookings at the end. Number 1. Moxy NYC Lower East Side. History and design. Opened in 2022, the 16-story Moxy Lower East Side was designed by Stonehill Taylor, with interiors by Rockwell Group and Michaelis Boyd. Its facade steps back elegantly from its 6-story base, blending local character with modern flair. What makes it unique? A pleasure garden in the heart of the Bowery, this hotel brims with energy. Think 5 distinct venues: Sake no Hana, modern Japanese dining; Silver Lining, piano lounge; the Highlight Room, rooftop bar; the Fix, all-day cafe; lobby bar; Lucy's, subterranean club. Price and reviews. As a 4-star boutique hotel, introductory rates start around $199 a night, sometimes even lower on weekdays. TripAdvisor gives it a 4.7 out. Very good from around 781 reviews. Highlights: location 4.8, value 4.6, cleanliness 4.8, service 4.8, packed with atmosphere and affordability. Fun fact: the Lower East Side surroundings were once the most densely populated neighborhood in the world, in the transformed in a deep and fawning Twisek and Linkthay. Number 2. Moxy NYC Times Square. History and design. Opened in 2017, this was Moxy Times Square's debut in NYC. Built in a 1907 structure, it was renovated in partnership with Marriott and Lightstone. Yabu Pushelberg and Rockwell Group delivered quirky, urban camping designs, like bunk bed lofts, multi-purpose furniture, and a playful lobby with a grizzly bear sculpture. What sets it apart? The standout feature is Magic Hour, the largest all-season indoor-outdoor rooftop bar with a miniature amusement park, carousel bar, putt-putt golf. Additional venues include Legacia, Seafood, and Egghead, bright, quirky cafe. There's also a hair salon offering complimentary cocktails with beauty services. Price and reviews. TripAdvisor rates it 4.35, based on over 4,200 reviews. Notable scores: location 4.8, rooms 4.3, value 4.4, service 4.5. Rooms average between 251 shooks, depending on timing. When it opened, you could find rooms for just over 100 night. It's a remarkable value for Midtown. Chapter 3. Ace Hotel New York. History and design. The Ace Hotel NYC is housed in what was once the Hotel Breslin, built in 1904. Redesigned by Roman and Williams, it retains historic charm and features a Stumptown coffee and the Michelin-starred Breslin restaurant. What's cool about it? The aesthetic is vintage industrial with thoughtful design throughout. You won't find the party vibe of the Moxys, but rather a refined, artsy atmosphere perfect for design lovers and food enthusiasts. Price and reviews. Exact TripAdvisor scores weren't pulled here, but Ace Hotels are known for solid reviews and mid to upscale pricing. Given NYC rates, expect $300 and $600 night, depending on season and room type. Best for families? Moxy Lower East Side edges it. Great value, playful yet safe, and a ton of activities in one spot, plus easier pricing. If you want help locking in flights, insurance, or these sentimental hotel deals, just email hello@abdulconnects.com or visit abdulconnects.com. You'll get the best of NYC stays without the hassle. Like and subscribe for more informative videos to travel the world.